Hey, welcome back. So this is one of our knob and tube rewires. We're in the main line, and let's check it out. All right, this is our. I was a little hesitant on doing a walkthrough in the beginning because we had to get started. This is a 10-day rewire. We're on day 6, so we still have 4 more days. But let's look at this thing. So this is the foyer. All right. This is a 3-gang. The foundation actually ends at the top of this block. So this had to get fished through the sidewall. All right. So this is going onto the patio. All right. So if you turn back, this is kind of like a foyer entry nook. All right, so we're gonna make a left into the great room. And yep, so this is a brick wall. And there's no hollow in the center of that brick wall. And what you see above there is plaster crown molding. So we have to be real careful with the plaster crown molding. All right. Staging room. Little library. All right. Well, this is the dining room. All right. This is the renovated portion of the home. So this doesn't have to get rewired. So this is the renovated portion. I'm going to go back through the dining room into the main hallway. All right, and again, so this is a brick wall with a solid center, and that is a brick wall with a solid center. So for sconcing, all right, trying to get through here. All right, master bedroom. Small little closet. This is a changing room. Again, there's a nice concrete or brick wall. There's a little bit of a gap. The brick wall actually ends right here. All right, so we were able to kind of fish up this gap, but there wasn't many of them. That's the hallway. We'll walk down the hallway on the back end of this video. Let's go upstairs. Three-ways. There's actually like 4 different 3-way systems, including 4-way switches. So there's a 4-location light and a 5-location light in this home. We're on the 3rd floor. New boxes will get set. New baseboards. All right. We have a partial attic. And we still have a good amount of room in this attic. We could easily make this into another bedroom. If they ever wanted like a 10th bedroom. So we're on the renovated portion side of the home. So we still have to check it to verify that there is no knob and tube. We did find knob and tube in here. And a couple notches. I have to fix that corner blowout, because that's always fun. Here's you know, for the time period, it was probably really a nice bathroom. Still a nice bathroom. All right. Oh, guest bedrooms here. You know, or the Opar's bedroom. You know, perfect little bedroom with a bath, and then you're right downstairs. All right, check this out. That's the best. It's actually a storage room. And we're back into the kitchen. Here is so before the knob and tube rewire, what these homes often had are pipe work that would go up the side and feed window units for air conditioners before central air was around. And that's what you see here. We're gonna remove that pipe work because it looks ugly, especially when you have them running down the front of the house. This is that bay window of the great room. Okay, then we have a covered porch, and the covered porch is right below the master changing room, okay? And that ceiling's an unpainted ceiling, so the problem is gonna be is getting that refed without damaging that ceiling. Nice yard. See if we can get a view of the house. Stone all the way up. Looks like Wissahickon shale. All right, what we'll do, we'll come down here to the front. I'll show you the front of the home. It's a cul-de-sac. There's the front. And there's that pipe work again. Right there. So we're gonna remove that. It's right on the front of the house too. All right. Just gonna keep walking here. Well, so we're day 6 in the rewire, all right, and the house has been rewired. We have to re-device now. We have to set devices, and basically put all the boxes in, clean it up, and then we'll start patching. I want to try to do a preliminary power up before I start patching, just because of how large the house is. I would rather guarantee that we didn't miss something. Even with all our checks and balances, I would still rather be able to give a guarantee and power it up before I start patching with Structo-Light, because we're definitely doing authentic plaster patching in this home. You can't just go, this house is too old, it's too nice to just do like a drywall top coat. You know, we're gonna do it right. Well, God bless. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your weekend.